everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So we are going back with prom hair, occasion hair, but this one, it's not going to be big, it's not going to be back combed, it's going to be a nice clean hairstyle for those sort of more simplistic styles that people are after. So let me show you how I do it. So I'm just going to take this front section, almost like a triangular section like that. We'll deal with that afterwards. So just pinning that out the way, we're going to do the same on the other side. So I'm just going in now with some wax spray. You could use water, you could use gel, hairspray, whatever you want to use at this point. I just like this wax spray because it's not too heavy on the hair and it just helps me to tame everything. And then we're slowly just going to work this hair up. So we want this style to be sort of really not a hair out of place, nice and sleek and smooth. So there's no back comb being added, everything. So I'm just working the hair with a brush to start with. And when I'm happy with the positioning of the ponytail, I'll probably go in with a comb or a back combing brush. So I'm using some hair tape here, but you can absolutely use a hair tie or bobble. Do not worry if you haven't got this. This is just like it kind of almost sticks to itself, but nothing else, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to place this down, and then I'm just going to take it over the top. So we're going to work our side bits in now, and then I'm going to show you how to do the bun. So again with the wax spray here, taking that comb, and we're going to just really smooth in these sections. So once you've smoothed that in, I'm just using a little elastic to attach that to the ponytail. So the same as with the sides, I want this style to be very, very smooth. So I am just going to take a moment to just put that product through the hair. So this is just a wax spray. And then I'm also going to use a little bit of shine spray. It's almost like a dry oil. And then I'm going to just break that hair into two. Just taking a moment to just make sure that is nicely brushed out and coated in product. And then what I'm going to do is just tie a knot in that hair. And then just gather that tail together, pop an elastic in, and then I'm just going to pull up on these a little bit. And then going to take hold of this knot and just bring it up and over like so. Turn it around. I'm going to leave out that little piece here that is completely optional, you don't have to do that. And I'm going to take the rest away. And I'm going to take a long grip and we're going to go through the bun to the hair on the head and then turn. I'm going to do that again. Go again, through the bun to the hair on the head, turn. So I'm just going to go in now and just really make sure that all the flyaways are behaving themselves. So this is the style from the front. So as we said, no back comb, no volume. This style is one of those really sleek styles that everybody is loving at the minute. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.